So this is my battery solar maintainer, okay? Just a heads up, appreciate it if you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Helps my channel out a lot. It's working awesome. So here we go. I'm gonna give you more info on it. I've got this solar panel I just got from my Prius Prime, and it's on right now. If you look here, it says it's in the sun charging, okay? It's a really wet day today, like cloudy, well, pretty cloudy. And I took my voltage meter and I put it to the black onto the black voltage meter and the red onto the red voltage meter. It's reading 14.47 volts. So this solar panel is putting out 14.4 volts. And since I park this vehicle a lot, so this is proof that it's actually working. I'm surprised. I'm gonna go ahead and just charge up my vehicle with this and make sure that it's on tight. And then when I check my battery voltage, I'm gonna plug that in there. Put this in here. It's showing 12.05 volts. So it's working, okay? It's keeping my battery at 12 volts right there, and I'll update you guys on if I have problems with this, but man, I'm surprised. This thing's actually working out pretty good. I'll put this in the description on this thing that I bought from Amazon. I bought it when it was on sale during the Prime sale weekend. But also, just to let you know, the chili's working so far. Like, I don't see any new droppings, so that's what the chili's for. But again, I don't drive this Prius much. It's just sitting here because my kid's in college. He's going to be gone for like 4 years, so he might drive it during the summertime. We'll see. I don't know. I'll probably try to start it up once a week or something like that to keep it going. But all the fluids are fresh. Everything's good. Over 190,000 miles. And this is my battery maintainer, so it's working good. Solar.